Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Motivating Moksha. Today I'm gonna teach you guys yummy green peas korma. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients for the green peas korma. First you'll need some potatoes. I took 2 potatoes. I boiled them and mashed them. Then you'll need some grated coconut. It is fresh coconut and I took half of it. Then you'll need fresh cream. And this is fresh peas, fresh green peas. You need to boil them. And I took 10 to 11 green chilies, 20 flakes of garlic and few cinnamon sticks, few cashews, 5 cloves and 2 cardamoms. And you will require onions. I took 2 onions and chopped them finely. To make the kurma, green peas kurma, we need to make some paste. For that, we need some cinnamon sticks. Let's put it in the mixie jar. Then take 5 cloves and 2 cardamoms. Then I'm taking 10 to 11 green chilies. Then few cashew nuts and garlic flakes. Now I'm gonna add my grated coconut. After adding everything, at last you need to add some salt. You have to add salt as per your taste. First I'm adding a little bit, then you can adjust it later. Now let's grind this. Let's grind it into fine paste. First you have to grind it into some powder like this. Then you have to add half cup of water and grind it into paste. Nice. After grinding into fine paste, it looks like this. Now, let's add some onion. First, I took 2 big onions and I chopped it. You have to take half for the mixie and half for frying. Now, I'm gonna add this half for the mixie and grind it. Our paste is ready. The smell is so aromatic. Now let's start frying. Let's keep this aside. We have to close it and keep it aside. And let's start frying. First you have to switch on the flame. Now let's add some oil. Now I'm adding 2 big spoons of oil. Let the oil heat. After adding the oil, add 2 spoons of ghee. Now let's add the remaining onions. Now you have to mix the onions. Let it turn into golden brown color. Now the onion has fried. Now I'm gonna add this paste. Mix it well. You have to put it in medium flame. Now add some water in the mixie jar and add it over here. And mix it. After adding the water, add the boiled green peas. And mix it well. I took 2 big alus, I boiled them and mashed them. Now I'm gonna add them. Let's mix them. You have to mix them properly. Now add 2 spoons of curd. We can eat this kurma with puri, chapati and parathas. At this time you can check the taste and add salt or spice if it is required. Now you have to add some fresh cream. This is completely optional. If you have, you can add it or else you can leave it. Now add coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves. Now mix it. I can feel the smell. My kitchen is completely filled with this aromatic smell, the kurma smell. Our kurma is ready. Now we have to switch out the flame, and at the last you have to add half lemon juice. Now add the lemon juice and mix it. Now we completed doing our kurma. I kept it aside. Now let's start doing puri. I already prepared the dough for the puri and I kept the oil for heating. Now I'm gonna make the puri. Are you thinking like I'm making a big puri like bhatura? Now take one knife and cut this into 4 parts. Now the oil has heated. Now I'm gonna drop the puri. Hold the puri for the second, let it drop the oil. Now I'm gonna add one more puri. My puri and my green peas korma is ready. Now let's eat it.